Today's topic, endocrine system. 1. Which hormone causes formation of corpus luteum? 2. Which part of the body produces erythropoietin? 3. Which tryptophan derivative regulates sleep-wake cycle? 4. What does CRH stand for? 5. Which hormone stimulates galactopoiesis? 6. What hormone is primarily responsible for regulating our immunity? 7. Name the stress hormone. 8. Which hormone triggers the fight-fight-flight response? 9. What hormone is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics? 10. Which two hormones control blood calcium levels? So, here are the answers for today's question. 1. Luteinizing hormone. 2. Juxtaglomerular cells of kidney. 3. Melatonin. 4. Corticotrophin releasing hormone. 5. Prolactin. 6. Thymosin. 7. Cortisol. 8. Adrenaline. 9. Testosterone. 10. Parathyroid hormone and thyrocalcitonin. Thank you all. See you soon.